for this scramble, if I do R, then all the pieces will be set up correctly related to each other, so then it can be solved like this: F R B L2 G prime. In this scramble, the white edge pieces are here, 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 and here. The red piece is solved. And if I do R prime F, these two will also be solved relative to each other. So if I do D and then R prime F, then the F will move this edge with correct position. Then I can do L G prime, and that is the cross. For this scramble, I can see a pair that is already made up, and this piece is in the opposite side, so we can make the cross while preserving this pair. So first of all, to preserve this pair, I can do a U prime, and then I can do D F R D to solve these three, and U L2 will solve the full cross and keep this pair preserved so that it can be inserted into its slot like this. For this cross, I can see that this orange edge is ready to be inserted, but if I do R2 to insert this first, then this edge will also be set up correctly to be inserted. So then if I do F, then it also makes this pair set up, and I can do D2 to solve these two and R prime to solve this one. But before the R prime, if I do a U then R prime, then this edge will also be set up to be inserted like this, and that also preserves this pair here, which can be inserted into the back like this. Okay, so for this cross, these two pieces are solved, and we can do an X cross over here, which is cross plus 1 F12 pair solved at the same time. So I can do D U prime to set up this and this together, then R prime D to solve these two, and F. And you see that this cross has these two corners already solved. So if you solve the two edges of this, then it can be a double X cross. So two pairs and the cross at the same time. So I can insert the corresponding edge of this like this. Here, this one solved, and this one can also be inserted like this. And D2 will solve these two pairs and the whole cross at the same time.